Hello, I'm Mikko Uusitalo, coming from Nokia Bell-Labs Finland, leading a radio research team there. I'm also leading the European 6G flagship Hexa X, and I would be happy to tell you more about this. So let me share my slides. So in Hexa X, we have a vision to connect the three worlds, human, physical, and digital worlds, with the fabric of 6G key technology enablers. So humans are in the center. Humans need to control the physical world with efficient connectivity and human-machine interfaces. Models of humans are built in the digital world in order to, for example, carry out preventive healthcare, so recognize heart attacks before they happen. And then we need efficient connectivity between the digital and physical worlds to maintain accurate models of the physical world to operate the physical world better. Based on this vision and the trends, we have identified 23 use cases that need 6G, clustered them into 5 families. So one of the use case families is sustainable development here in the green circle, including, for example, methods to obtain information to help with the sustainability goals. Then we have the use case family massive twinning, containing this massive scale model building, for example, of entire cities or industrial complexes, in order to be able to better design and operate those, as well as have also preventive maintenance here. Then we have the use case family telepresence. So how could a human or set of humans, set of machines interact with each other independently of their location using all their senses, and also interact with objects that don't exist anywhere in physical world but are in the digital world, and how could this be applied then in the context of work or sports, culture, gaming. Use case family robots to cobots. So how could we have a machine or set of machines serve intelligently, collect information, and serve human or humans in their needs? Then the use case family local trust zones containing various use cases, for example, related to providing coverage in areas where there is no permanent network infrastructure. In addition to use case families, we have also 7 enabling services, for example, AI, artificial intelligence as a service. So based on this work, we have then identified central research challenges, starting here from sustainability. So how could 6G be sustainable, and how could 6G make other sectors of human life more sustainable? Network of networks, how could the different hierarchical levels of the networks in different architectures, coming all the way to the network next to human collecting information, how could we build this all as a network of networks? And then connecting intelligence as a research challenge, how could we use AI ML as a fundamental base for the new generation? Trustworthiness needs to be in the center of the design of the new generation right from the beginning, as more and more aspects of human life get wireless and get part of the digital services. Extreme experience, referring to how to carry all the central key performance indicators also from earlier generations then towards the new challenges for the next 10 years or so. And finally, 6th research challenge, global service coverage, 2 main dimensions. First, related to sustainability, how to have the access available to digital services for all on Earth, and then also how to provide the coverage no matter where one is located. Then how are we reaching these all research challenges? Here we have the research challenges in the outer rim, and in the center 5G and key technologies for 5G. So for going to higher capacities, we need to look at higher frequencies. Also at the same time, we need to be looking at what could be done better and more on mid and low bands. Localization, sensing, how to use communication systems for getting other information than communication, and then how to have this AI ML as fundamental base, and many others on which you will gradually get more and more information, for example, from the Hexa X website. We have an excellent consortium. As said, so Nokia is leading, Ericsson technical manager. We have 3 top operators, Orange, Telefonica, Telecom, Italia. We have vertical Siemens and other verticals in advisory group structure, and then high quality academia and great technology providers. We started beginning of this year, running for 2.5 years, so ending mid-23, and hoping to set the foundation for 6G during this time of 6G structuring and framing, hoping then to be the base to build for many projects to come, moving more towards the systemization, halfway through the decade to standardization, and end of the decade to commercialization. Thank you. That was a brief start on Hexa X.